trade. Um, I'm going to show you what I went into the day with and what I wanted to see coming out of um, market open. So let's do the decrease. Great. Okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, yesterday's Asia session or yesterday's Asia session opened up about 0.75% bullishly, right? And I saw this last night before going to sleep, and I kind of hoped that price would come into this new day fair value gap, so it could create draws on liquidity. And so I wake up today. We still expanded higher. We did not tap into this fair value gap. Let's go on the 1 hour. We have no high time frame SMTs at market open. So there was nothing for me to really go off of other than just mark this 1 hour high on both charts. Come down on the 15 minute. We have Asia session consolidation. We have London session manipulation, and we have New York AM distribution on both charts. So on top of that, like I said, we have this fair value gap. Now, when there's no price action between 2 points, that is the strongest drawn liquidity, probably next to, it's definitely up there with Asian and London key session highs and lows. Um, so my draw was bearish for the day. What I wanted to see price do, if we go on the 5 minute, was before market open, I wanted to see specifically ES. Um, no, either one, honestly. I wanted to see from the swing high of the London session, which is the all-time high, and the swing low prior to pre-market open. I wanted to see price come up, sweep this 5 minute sell side liquidity. It could have been the exact same on ES, sweep this 5 minute sell side liquidity to restore equilibrium, and then continue down, or sweep out more of this low resistance liquidity and then come down, and I'll target Asia session, which is the top of this fair value gap, which I think is a perfect target. And so we open up, we print up, let's see how much, hardly anything, 0.03%. We didn't print up at all on NQ, we just distributed lower. I saw, I mean, there's obviously a 5 minute change in state. We swept, let's see, we had a bearish SMT right here. That didn't get swept on NQ. So NQ was the lagging index. I wanted to see a 5 minute change in state of delivery and short off of that, but I mean, it was literally only 1 minute or 4 minutes, one of those, into market open. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 minutes into market open is when we get that 5 minute change in state. And yeah, that would have made sense, but it's just risky. There's no point in trading that early in the market because the market could still come up, maybe sweep this, come up, now sweep that, stop me out, and then continue lower. It's just not worth the risk. The same way that you could have the right entry and still get stopped out just out of bad luck is the same way that you could enter off of this and enter off of only a few minutes in the market open and have luck. Either way, you're just incurring risk. So then I wait for price to come down, sweep the Asian low, and then at 10 a.m., which is right here, I want to see price go lower, sweep out its own lows that it made for itself, make that 4 hour. Let's see, every candle is like this, right? And so the theory is whatever price opens up at will come up first before going down, or it will come down first before going up. Okay, so I wanted to see 10 a.m. open, which is the new 4 hour, come down and then distribute up. Maybe for a retrace of some sort of equilibrium. I'm only targeting equilibrium during these kinds of market conditions. Let me erase this. So 10 a.m. open happens. We don't have any SMT. I wanted to take a trade only off of an inverse, because that would show volatility, or the volatility that I need in order to target equilibrium. So yeah, I wanted price to inverse this fair value gap right here. Then price continued to go lower. And so then I was looking for price to inverse, this fair value gap, which we didn't. We rejected off of it. And so that's when I decided to call it a day, because we just kept going lower. We just kept making new lows, and not worth the risk. I didn't plan on trading today anyways. Don't get me wrong, it was really tempting to short off of this, but it was too early, and I'm making more sense of it than I am emotions. So yeah, I wanted to catch the 4 hour candle retrace, because we are expanding higher, right? But I guess we're just gonna fill in this fair value gap. Hopefully we get sent down during the day. I also hope that FOMC tomorrow, I think it'll honestly just dump. Hold on. Okay. I'm making a video. Say hi to the video.
What?
I'm making a video. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let me call you later. Love you. Bye.
Yeah, let me go.
That was my best friend. She's like a family friend. Anyways, I'm hoping price comes down, fills in this fair value gap. We create price on both sides of the spectrum. I didn't want to take a trade today. Like I said yesterday, we're at all-time highs. But I wanted to make sense of what price was doing today. And even if I didn't plan on trading, it's just good to learn what price does, how it reacts, and it just gives you more clarity. So, like I said, wanted to see price come up, sweep equilibrium, and buy side liquidity continue further lower to the Asia lows. Didn't happen. We just expanded further down. Our power of three, like I said, was consolidation, manipulation, and I wanted to look for that distribution. And then if not, I wanted to catch a 1 hour retrace after sweeping the Asia low and tapping into this fair value gap, which I thought we would reject. Or I didn't think. I was looking to see if we would reject off of this fair value gap into filling this. But yeah, that was it. Didn't happen. So I'm going to take the day off. And tomorrow, everyone's waiting. The state, the government, everyone's waiting to see the rate cuts from FOMC. This is going to be insane news. I'm hoping this sends us down very far. Honestly, I would love to see price just absolutely dump from rate cuts, because then that would give us leverage on the charts, us day traders leverage on the charts to trade off of. So tomorrow may or may not be looking to trade based off of where we are in price. If we continue to go further up, I'm just not gonna. I'm honestly just gonna hop off the charts tomorrow. If we don't continue further down, because at this point we really are just waiting for FOMC rate cuts. But if we do continue further down, I will be looking for a trade tomorrow. Thursday, 100% looking for a trade, and same with Friday, because we'll be moving off of the volatility from Wednesday. I'm looking forward to this month. I am hoping I can catch some winning trades, but if not, so be it. And yeah, my name is Daniel Jatani. Through Christ, I'm a profitable trader. And I execute based on logic, not fear. And my edge is my skill, not my emotions. You guys have a good day.